Thank you bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngithanda ukuthi thank you kuwo wonke umuntu osubscribe-ayo, olike-ayo, okhomentayo. Soon ngizovula i-WhatsApp group la nizongibuza khona ama-question whether in writing or kuma-voice note or ngithi ama-VN ukuthi sikwazi ukubuild i-community yethu bafethu benkulu. So ngifuna ukuvula nje ngobaba kaKhanyisa Mayo laphana ku-interview. Uthe u-proud kakhulu ukuthi ingane yakhe laphana ikore igoli noma yakwazi ukukora igoli first game yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Uthi uyabhiliva nje ukuthi mekazomisela uKhanyisa Mayo because of uphila vele ngebhola, uphila kusho ukuthi ibhola impilo yakhe, uzokwazi ngempela ukushape izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukudiliva for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then ukumentionile ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs isayine abadlali aba-right kakhulu. Uthi-ke nje sithembe ukuthi labadlali bazokwazi ukudiliva, but uthe uyabhiliva ngempela ukuthi mebheka abadlali abafana nabo Igataro, umention u-Igataro straight wathi hayi equality ngempela umdlali naye ongakwazi ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs. So it was a dream start for Khanyisa Mayo vele ukuthi akore ku-first goal yakhe. Obvious umndeni wakhe kumele ube proud. Unfortunately-ke uvele walimala, but uyabuya very soon. I'm not sure if uzokwazi ukubuya before month end, I don't know, but-ke if akathinteki futhi ngimbonile ejimini, so ejima yedwa lo, so kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukujima. He's just trying to catch up with the gents and sobona ukuthi uzobuya nini ukudlala laphana. Yeah, u-Igataro ukuthenjwa ubaba wengane okhompyutha nayo bafowethu, that's incredible, that's beautiful because of at the end of the day sport, and then abantu badlalela i-team bonke ba-represent i-team. So into ekumele ibekwe phambili laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-team. Igataro siyawabona ama-qualities wakhe ku-continental level, ngiyazi ukuthi uzobasiza, and then eligini siyazi ukuthi u-powerful, u-good, but it's a different ball game eligini continental level. I think continentally uzobasiza kakhulu, eligini sobona ukuthi ama-contribution wakhe yini. Izolo bengibukela iNigeria, I remember 2 days back ngikhuluma indaba yokuthi ngibone ulona uSilva bamcompare no-Osimhen, bathi badlala istyle esisodwa bafowethu. Guess what, ngisibonile-ke le style lesi abasishoyo or lesi bekasisho i-teammate or i-former teammate kaSilva. Osimhen nakalazi ibhola, eSouth Africa bekuzothiwa iy'nkomo akalazi, but bamphasa kahle bafowethu, njalo bamthola ebhokisini mabaskwera ibhola, ngazi ukuthi uwina ama-headers ayingakhi. Uhlulekile ukuwa-convert-a lesiya ama-headers lawa awatholile laphana first ku-90 minutes le abayidlalile, but-ke guess what, bayamnika amabhola according to strength sakhe because bayazi ukuthi aerial balls u-dangerous. NoSilva ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele bamskwerele ibhola, uzokwazi yena ukuwashaya bafowethu ngekhanda, strong, usibonisile. So even nasesayidini u-Osimhen le wayadlala ngakhona bamshaya ngama-through pass, yena into okumele ayenze ukuthi azipositione kahle ashaye, whether ushaya ku-angle enjani but kuyakwazi ukushaya on target. So even uSilva, okay, ngimbonile ashaya off target bamphase kahle, but iside netting, but once again i-confidence yakhe ngiyawabona ama-similarities ukufana kwama-players. Sisho ukuthi i-quality liyafana, but-ke igame abayidlalayo iyafana because Osimhen is not comfortable ukuthi asuke nebhola e-center, ufuna nje ukuma laphana. And what I like about Osimhen, ngimbone a few times at-tracker back asiza iNigeria that time they were under pressure, but guess what, isikhathi esiningi akamaki nokumaka, kusumsebenzi wakhe ukumaka, into ayenza kahle laphana ukumaka. Kulapho nalapho ney'trayikha zaku-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga zifocus-e ekumakeni, kumele khona nje abantu abayi-2 obaziyo ukuthi bayafokhasela eku-attack-eni, ukuthi uma babamba ibhola bayazi ukuthi ama-option wala ma-player lesiyawu-2 or elilodwa, ikhona lowo option njalo eruma around. Le nto lokuthi wonke umuntu ebhokisini bawina ibhola, uthole ukuthi abanayo leyo pace yokushaya i-transition fast. BanoVilakazi eceleni, akana-pace uVilakazi ukuthi uzoshiya ama-defender, une-skill but i-pace akanayo. You can't expect uVilakazi asuka ngale kwe-center yakhe ukuthi afinishe everyone, no, but ku-final third kula dangerous khona is able to beat 1-2 players and then a-release ibhola or a-release ibhola akushaya ngephasi eli-right if i-striker sikhona laphana ebhokisini and kunabantu abamuvayo laphana phambili. So ama-systems nje kumele bawadlale, otherwise bazothola amagoli amaningi nje through uSilva, uzobashayela amagoli. I saw something uPelembe, funny enough uPelembe, kuthiwa uPelembe bafowethu kwakumele noma yena wayeze eSouth Africa ukuthi ajoyine ama-Big 3, but into abamthengisela yona or abamthembisa yona ukuthi bazomthatha bambeke ku-Kaizer Chiefs, waye excited, wayefuna ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but kusho ukuthi mayefika la eSouth Africa, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba bekuyi-off season, bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyidlala i-team yase-Europe. It was 2007 or so mayefika bebase-Europe or babadlala ne-team yase-Europe khona lapho, but-ke abakwazanga ukumbona uPelembe. And then uPelembe they were forced ukuthi bamthathe bambeke ku-SuperSport United. And then-ke i-agent lakhona or umuntu bekamanager at the time bekasho ukuthi uPelembe azange athandeke ukuya ku-SuperSport United, but-ke sabona ukuthi le move yaku-SuperSport United yamsiza kangakanani and what he became ebholeni lase-South Africa, nanokuthi ucontribute-eni ku-SuperSport United. And then soon after lokho he attracted serious interest-ke manje kuma-teams a-different. So iplayer leli bafethu elibaluleke kakhulu. I guess we'll never know bafethu ngempela ukuthi if wakwazi ukuya laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs wayezo-contribute kangakanani. Namhlanje unangakho uPelembe. uPelembe una-43, is it 43? Yes, una-43 uPelembe, but 42-43, but usadlala to this day. Lo mphathi wakhe that time uthi bekazi ukuthi uPelembe bakazofitha kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, futhi bekazokwazi ukudeliver ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bekazobelong. And ziningi izinto awinile-ke bafethu ku-Betway Premiership or Betway Premiership, ama-league, contribution yakhe even naku-Wits udlale kahle kakhulu. Wonke ama-team awadlalelile uPelembe ube naleyo influence before abamdala, cause sibonile kubo Polokwane ufike selate, ku-Royal AM ufike sokulate, but-ke nje kuma-team awadlalelile asase-right bafethu. SuperSport United 2007, and then ulaste 2 years nje kuphela Mamelodi Sundowns yamdonsa 2009. Wahlala isikhathi eside kuMamelodi Sundowns. In 2015 wajoyina i-Wits as a free agent, but i-contribution yakhe abantu mabakhuluma ngoPelembe bafethu bathi is one of the most talented players in history of EPSL. Bathi izinto bekazenza lapha, especially abantu abathi bajime naye bathi asibonanga lutho. And i-contribution yakhe ukuthi bafethu important kangakanani. Lo muntu bekawina u-player of the season, first season yakhe ku-Betway Premiership player of the season, kanje kuyayibona into enjalo. Betway Premiership bafethu noma ku-PSL udlale, angibala ama-cup games cause ama-game wakhe nje maningi kakhulu awadlalile. Angibala ama-cup games, ngizoqala nge-league, siqale nge-league before siya kuma-cup games. Eligini udlala ama-matches awu-294, ushaya amagoli awu-35, ama-assist awu-57. That's impressive bafethu. No-Champions League unawo, e-Champions League unegoli elilodwa in couple of games. Ku-Nedbank Cup unama-assist, Carling Knockout unegoli and 1 assist, MTN 8 unamagoli nama-assist. So i-contribution yakhe serious kakhulu, but la bekayi-hot property khona kakhulu. Mamelodi Sundowns bedume ngoku-assista than ukukora, bekora yes lapho nalapho, but-ke uyi-supplier than ukuthi abe i-final product or akwazi ukushaya amagoli. Ku-Wits ucontribute kakhulu, simbonile ku-Wits, siyazi ukuthi-ke besisekakhula-ke lapha ku-Wits. I think beno-30 something meya ku-Wits, but-ke 42 years, at the age of 42 still usadlala and is looking to go to i-AFCON nelakubo laphana eMozambique. Angazi ukuthi ama-Kaizer Chiefs fanatic acabanga ukuthi uPelembe bekangaba yi-success laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Guess we'll never know, cause azange adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke abantu bebamrepresent laphana bathi bekazoba yi-success enkulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Even noma uMayambela naye, uMike Mayambela bafethu, msaba ungamazi, uthi wayefuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Baningi abadlali wayefuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs because of uSkara Ngobese. Uthi wayembukela kuSkara Ngobese, uSkara Ngobese amagame wakhe amaningi, wayethanda nje i-style sakhe super exciting. I think it makes sense because of simbonile uMayambela bafethu naye adlala i-style esi-close to sakaSkara Ngobese, taking players on, i-flair, i-skill, but-ke is more matured manje. Mekhuluma ngebhola uyazi ukuthi is thinking about being more progressive ukuya phambili than being ukuthi umuntu astake nebhola, agibele ibhola linyathele. So you thinking about, is thinking njengo-coach-ke manje, modern coaches. But sometimes, I mean, you have to let ama-players abe free, I-entertain. There are moments of entertain. Ibhola elinjani elinganasishukela? Kusho ukuthi linetswayi kuphela? No, alikho right. Ngibone uJabu Mahlangu kwakuwuPule but uMahlangu laphana eNaturena bafethu, or uPostile useNaturena no-Dr. Kaizer Motaung asho ukuthi ubabakhe nje forever lo muntu, ubabakhe for life. This speaks volume ukuthi uDr. Kaizer Motaung, I mean, udlale irole enkulu kangakanani kuma-players. I mean, mawubheka uJabu Pule waye-misbehave kangakanani ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Wa-misbehave vele ku-career yakhe isikhathi esiningi but azange bamlahlela ithawula. They understood ukuthi umfana and then he's lost. And then-ke babedila vele nabo abafana abangalaleli isikhathi eside badila nabo, and then but umuntu kumele akhule. Naye uyawabona amaphutha wakhe uJabu Mahlangu, lo kwakuJabu Pule. Mekhuluma even nakuma-podcast uyawabona ama-mistake wakhe but uyasho ukuthi eshibeka kakhulu. Yabona umuntu waselokishini ngeke umtshele niksi anemali, khohlwa. Thing is, uthatha umfana omncane akaze abe ne-R1,000 umnika let's say ku-Kaizer Chiefs 20,000, ummoshile lowo muntu loyo, qedile. And there's nothing really you can do. You can try to stop it but khona umuntu ongalaleli. That is why bathi kuye bam-nickname abathi ngwana wathweni, because of behluphile lo muntu lo. But ukhulile amanye ama-player bekumele abe-iconic ngempela ebholeni lase-South Africa, but unfortunately-ke Demons took over and abakwazanga ukufika ku-full potential yabo. But the beauty of i-South African football ukuthi ama-player amaningi bekumele a-amounted to something great, awakwazanga. I mean, singabala uMbulelo Mabizela, I mean, what a super talent, but he didn't make it because of the internal wars or internal battles kuye bafowethu. Yena as an individual bekumele akwazi ukulwa nalezo zinto lezo, but-ke he couldn't. Yabo, they focus more outside the field than inside the field of play. Well, even if you focus just on weekend kuphela kuleso sikhathi, but-ke don't let impilo yangaphandle ingene phakathi kwakho nebhola. Awuclose ngolona ngovilakazi post umthandazo laphana online, which is important. I think you have to be connected to something. I mean, izinto aba-expose kuzo laphana ziningi kakhulu, especially as a young talent. Njengoba ngasho ukuthi ngambona ngise-stadium laphana ubhizi uqabulana nomuntu phambi kwethu, hayi. But uthi, dear God, please take this moment in my life and use me to give you glory and praise. Take my passion for the sport. May it light up with your love. Take hours of training and my commitment to excellence. Please use it to bring joy and inspiration to others. Take my desire to be the best in the sport I can be. May you speak your truth and hope through me. Amen. Umthandazo-ke umfana uthi uNkulunkulu akamlide laphana phambili, amsebenzise ukuthi ajabulise abantu ngepassion yakhe ngento ayithandayo. Cela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu, azipheli iy'ndaba, ngisazoza nezinye. Ningakhohlwa ukulike ividiyo. Why don't you listening to something you like, you love it but you don't like, pressa low like bafethu, kuyasiza ukukhuphula i-reach. Danko.